this is the bottom of 5-4, where we're using the compass transfer method to determine the location of points. It's a little more complicated, right? It's a many-sided polygon here. It's not, they're not equally sided. So the only thing that we really have going for us is if you hold a straight edge up here, you can kind of tell that line GH is collinear to line DE. So you can see we have H and D here, so we can just consider that G and E are on this line somewhere. So those would be the easiest to figure out right off the bat, where you just take your compass on H and adjust it for G, and then replicate that down here. And so we already know the location of G. All right, that would be right there. And I can adjust for D, and place that there, and that right there is definitely the location of E, right? That's the easy part. Now for all these other points, it's pretty much the same process. You're going to jump between H and D, and you're just going to set the compass radius for all these different points. So that's, I expect I to be somewhere around there. A is a little bit lower, right? So it's going to be somewhere down there. B's over there. Yep. C is somewhere over there. And I might as well grab F while I'm doing all the H-sided ones here. Yeah. Alright. F is up there somewhere. Then I flip the compass over and start doing, you know, I could actually even, let me come back to F. So let's see, that's about where I is. Okay, so we now know the location of I. And right there is A. There's B. There it is. There's C right there. And the reason I wanted to come back to F is because I could have used D. You know, I could have found the distance relative to D, but this is kind of a steep intersection. So I just want to show you that you don't necessarily have to choose D for all of them. I could, in fact, actually, I know the location of C, so I could actually even put the compass, the pointy end of the compass on C, right there, and then find F that way, you know. So there's a variety of methods for that. And now that I know the location of all the points, take my straight edge and start piecing together this shape in its new location and angle. There we go. Okay, so there you go. There is the shape completely redrawn over here, just using the compass to reference where all the points were.